Are you tired of endless nights spent battling sleeplessness and anxiety? I know I am. That's why I got my hands on the ZENHALO Sleep Helper. According to traditional Chinese medicine, the PCA point is a key acupressure point located on the palm of your hand. This point is known for its ability to soothe the mind and ease emotional distress. The ZENHALO Sleep Helper targets the PC8 acupressure point with precise microcurrent pulses, promoting the release of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good hormones for natural relief from anxiety, insomnia, and mood enhancement. All you need to do is hold it in the palm of your hands before bed, and you'll feel a natural calm and deep relaxation. So let me walk you through how to use your new best friend. Firstly, when you open up the box, you'll find the device itself. So cute, simple, and compact. There's also a thank you card, a small pouch bag to carry the device, and a USB charging cable. Lastly, you'll see the user manual for detailed instructions. When you need to recharge the device, simply plug it in. The indicator light will show you when it's charging. It's just this white light in front of the device, and you don't need to charge it for more than 1 hour. If you have a pacemaker or epilepsy, we recommend checking with your doctor before using the device. You can choose your desired mode by short pressing the power button, either the default sleep mode or relaxation. Now, place the device in the palm of your hand, ensuring contact with the PC8 pressure point located here. You'll feel gentle pulsations from the device. Adjust the intensity levels for your comfort by pressing the plus and minus buttons. Don't wait for better sleep. Start tonight with ZENHALO Sleep Helper.